What's up YouTube? It's Amy from Splendid Kids Are You? Welcome back my channel. Today I do review about Air Jordan 12 retro shoes review, and it's Air Jordan 12 Michigan sneaker, and you can check the shoes is very dope, very colorful and beautiful. You can check the top with red jumpman here, and with a lot of nice Jordan sneaker here. Check the side with the size label and the code here. This one is US size 9, UK size 8, and with suggested retail price is US dollar $225. Okay, open the shoe box, check the inner. Wow, very cool. Fantastic shoes here. Take out, and I will show you guys the quality. It's very cool and good quality. Black tissue paper and white tissue paper here. Okay, now check the details here. You can check the in front of it. Very dope design. The color is navy blue with a little yellow jumpman here, with a tiny jumpman. Okay. And now I will pick one side to show you guys. Have a close look at toe box. You can check the midsole is navy blue color rubber material, and close look at the upper. The whole upper is made by suede material, and the touch is very nice. You can check the color is changeable with my finger move. Very smooth touching, and the double stitching is perfect. Here with single stitching. Also is navy blue color. Match the upper. The shoelace is navy blue color, so the main color is blue, navy blue color. Very dope design. The whole pair looks very cool and very dope. And you can check the shoe time. The shoe time with 2 and the number 3 here, 2 3. And the shoe time with a different design. You can check this side is M. I think it means Michigan, and another side is jumpman here, right here. You can check navy blue color. Okay, and now check the side. You can check this side is also made by this side is leather material, I think. Very cool, fantastic design. And the middle part with a little bit yellow color jumpman leather. Okay, check this part. The touching is a little soft, not too hard. You can check this side is made by maybe it's plastic, not sure. And here there suede material. Nice touching, and check the stitching. Very cool. Good workmanship here. This rock with tiny Jumpman. Check the pro tip, the top with tiny Jumpman. Middle part with Jordan logo here. And the sun quotation. The below is 23 number. Rubber material. Another side. Quick look. Okay, now going to the bottom. The bottom top with yellow tiny Jumpman, and this part with 23 number. And here, the whole also is made by rubber material. The middle part below is real carbon fiber. You can check close look. Good quality. Below is different color. Okay. And now going to the inside of the shoe. The shoe tongue. Back of the shoe tongue with size label US size 9. The size information. Check it. Okay, and now check the inner. Inner with the shoes insole and the shoe pay. The insole with black tiny Jumpman and the size label here. Men's size 9. Okay. Perfect design. And this part is leather material. You can check the leather is pretty good quality, not bad. The shoe tongue also is leather material. Okay, so it's all details about Air Jordan 12 Michigan review. If you guys wanna copy, you can go to our website splendidkids.ru. Thanks for watching my video, and see you next time. Goodbye.